Hi, this is Tony from Top Dog Marketing, and today I decided to do a review of GoPro Mail. Now, it's important to have an email list to stay directly in contact with your prospects. It's a powerful way to connect with people. It also happens to be cost effective. An effective email campaign can bring in $30 for every $1 spent on the campaign. And the results are measurable. It's easy to determine, for example, how many opens you get, how many clicks for your effort, how many subscribers or unsubscribes you get. You've probably checked out or been a subscriber to various autoresponder platforms such as Aweber or GetResponse, MailChimp, and others. They can get more expensive as you get more subscribers. That's why I thought I'd review GoPro Mail. This one is different in that it provides an autoresponder email marketing platform for one upfront price. You may find that attractive. It comes with a built-in SMTP, and this means one less technical step needed to set up your autoresponder. It also allows you to quickly import a list you may already have. You get unlimited subscribers, unlimited lists without any subscriptions. It comes with a built-in drag-and-drop editor to give you greater flexibility to create your own killer emails, and they offer 24/7 technical support. Now, of course, they may not be able to be as responsive as GetResponse or Aweber, but nevertheless, for the one-time cost, you may not even find it necessary, and it may be more than enough for what you need. And they upgraded to faster servers and improved their encryption technology for greater levels of security. Here's a quick demo of what you get when you're inside. That's what I've got for you. Check out the bonuses when you click the link below. And if you found this helpful, please click like or subscribe, and I'll see you the next time. Have a good one.